okay igama lami ke bathumba iClover ukuthi ngama 2000 ke imbewu enhle iyaqala ke lapha ngomhla ka14 ngilapha ke nomkhabatheli uthine dladla ke yini ongayitshela nje abafana njengoba imbewu lapha ke umdlalo izoqala nge14.
I would like to thank ama sponsors enze possible ukuthi imbewu ibe khona ngokuthi that is where we get players. Look now, we've got Umbokazi who's going abroad. So players, I would like to say to the coaches, encourage your players to give their all, because now it's no more that time of apartheid when we never had an opportunity to go abroad. Players nowadays can go abroad and showcase their skills.
Uthine dladla ke lo umdlali ke lapha ke wathatha amakhapha amaningi lapha ke ku Kaizer Chiefs ke lapha ngeminyaka lapha ke ama 80s 90s ke lapha ngempela bayakwazi abantu abaningi thine dladla ke lapha ke ngicela nje amagama okugcina nje ukuthi ke awushayela isipikili sokugcina utshela abantu ukuthi kuzobe kunjani la eMabuya Sport Ground.
For me now it's the third time ngiza kule tournament. Unfortunately for me, ngalama youngsters wami, I ended up in the quarterfinals 3 years in a row. But then I'm encouraging my players, hey, let's go back there, let's work harder. Then at the end of the day, we'll win the tournament. Ours is to come here and lift the trophy.
From Onika's place, Nitege, Imnandi Londaba. Thank you, Mkabateli. Thank you. Sakhuluma lapha nomkhabatheli uthine dladla ke lapha ke kuzoba nomdlalo omkhulu lapha yayo ke imbewu enhle youth lapha ke development 2025 ke izobanjwa lapha ke eMabuya Sport Ground lapho phuma khona kamaqawa afana boJabupule ke abo Skapseta sabaphola injanya ke abo Sibusiso Mahlangu lapha ke abo lapha ke baningi kakhulu abadlali ke engababala ababuya la ke eDavidton ke yabona ke la ngithi ke mbukele ekhaya ke iTwatwa TV isifikile qathatha ilethela izindaba ezimnandi simnandi ngithanda lonke emakhaya.
Ya fiso bani spande, nami ya fiso bani male, give him nande.